Hello everyone, welcome to my educational channel. In the previous lesson we have already discussed about indefinite article which is a and an. Today we are going to discuss about the definite article the. First of all, you should learn the pronunciation of the varies greatly. Before a vowel sound it is pronounced as the, like the owl. When it is placed before a consonant sound, it pronounced like the man. You should remember that. First of all, the is used to indicate a particular person or thing. Like look at the picture. When we point out look at the picture, it refers to a particular picture. Or look at the boy. This is a certain boy, refers to a certain boy like Ram or Shyam. Number 2, the is used before a noun which has already been mentioned previously. It means there is a tree in our house. The tree is a big one. So here the is placed before tree. But about this tree we have already spoken here in the first line. So when we have already talked about something or someone, next time when we are talking or speaking about the same thing, we use the. Number 3, the is used before a singular noun to represent a whole class. It means one singular noun represents the whole class. Like the cow is a domestic animal. Here a single cow or a particular cow is not referred. Instead it refers the whole cows as a whole, the class. So next point, the is used before a noun that may definite by a phrase or clause. Like take the example, the man who came to you is my friend. Here the man, it doesn't refer anyone in common. It is a special man. It refers to someone special, and it is made special by the relative clause. Who came to you? This relative clause. Next, before a nation or a race. Like the English is a brave nation. Here the English refers to English people. Here if we don't use the word the, then it will be English language. Then it will refer English as a language. So it is clear now. Before the name of a road, not before a street, we use the before the name of a road. Example, the AJC Bosch Road, but not before the street. We purchased some books from College Street. So it is now clear. Before the name of the road we use the definite article the, like the AJC Bose Road, the Netaji Subhash Bose Road, the Grand Trunk Road. But before the name of a street we don't use the. Like we purchase some book from College Street, not before the College Street. Before some musical instrument the is used, like the piano, the harmonium. Next point, generally the is not used before a proper noun, but here are some exceptions. Before holy books, like it means the scripture, like the Gita, the religious books, the Quran, the Bible, etc. we use the. Newspaper, the Statesman, the Anand Bazar, etc. Before the train, like the Rajdhani Express. Before ships, like the Titanic. Before the name of aeroplane, like the Boeing 777, the Boeing 777. Spacecraft, like the Columbia. You all know about Columbia. It was destroyed when coming to the Earth's orbit from the space. River like the Ganges. G is obviously capital. The Ganges, the Nile. It is a famous river of Africa. The Ganges. It is India's holiest river and biggest river also. Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Famous building like the Taj Mahal. Seas, the Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea. Desert like the Thor. Before the name of a mountain range like the Himalayas. Here points to be remembered that before the mountain range the is used. The Himalayas, but not before a particular peak like the Everest, the K2. It's not used. Before a mountain range the is used, but not before a particular peak. Where the is not used. The is not used before the name of a book or a writer. Before the writer, the is not used. Before the name of a country, the is not used. We don't say the India, but if the name of the country is formed collectively, then we used the. Take the example of USA, United States of America. We use the USA, the United States of America, the UK, United Kingdom, the UN, United Nations. The next point, the is used before superlative degree, like he is the tallest boy in the class. Here the is used before the superlative degree tallest. Degree are of three kinds. When there is no comparison, it is called positive degree, like Ram is a good boy. When comparison is made between two objects or two persons, it is called comparative degree. Ram is better than Sam. When the comparison is made among more than two people or more than two things, so it is called superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we use the. There are some places where the is omitted. It is called omission of the article. So how is the class, guys? If you like the class, put a like, do subscribe my channel and share to everyone.